guys, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब? So I'm back with a new video and as you can see in my title that today is going to be a Sarojini Nagar haul, and yes, I'm so excited to film this video because I'm a big fan of Sarojini Nagar. I love street shopping. Okay, so I went there last Sunday and I got so many things. I went there after a long time and I really enjoyed Sarojini Nagar because you can get there everything and anything. I always become so excited to go there and shop because that is my favorite destination to shop. Let's move on to the video and see what I got from there. I will show you in my video, and before starting the haul I would like you to please subscribe my channel if you are new and like and share with your friends and comment down below if you like my video. And let's move on to the video without wasting time. Let's move on to the video. Okay guys, so let's start with the clothing. So first is this top. I went there and bought this one. This is up to this length and this is really nice. This is only for ₹100. I really liked it. You can pair it with your jeans, denim jackets, and you can pair it with your skirt also. It will look really good. I have tried this and I have wore this so many times till I purchased it because I really loved it. The stuff is very soft and very comfortable. You will not regret buying this kind of top, and this is available in so many colors in Sarojini Nagar, so you can go there and choose the color you want. Okay guys, so next I bought this white shirt and I didn't have any white shirt. I got it because every girl should have a white shirt. I was looking for white shirt from a very long time and finally I got it. Because this is very essential for every girl's wardrobe. You must have a white shirt to pair it with every kind of jeans and skirts. It look very cool. One more thing is that I like is that this shirt have this knot thing which make it so stylish. This is a little oversized for me. I like oversized t-shirts and shirts and it look very stylish when you wear it properly, so I just loved it. And yes, I got it for ₹150 only. And if I will talk about the stuff is very soft. It is of cotton and cotton is very good for summer. I am loving it and I'm gonna wear it a lot. Okay guys, so next thing is also a clothing thing. So next thing is a overcoat. I was looking for an overcoat since very long time and I was not getting my perfect wala overcoat. So I finally got an overcoat which is just like me, which I like. So this is the overcoat. So I really like it. As you can see, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा long है. ये यहाँ तक है इसकी लेंथ. आपके ये जो लेंथ है इसकी ये आपके नी से भी नीचे तक है. और जो स्टफ है वो वेलवेट का स्टफ है. बहुत ही लाइट वेट है और बहुत ही वार्म है. मैं विंटर के एंड ऑफ सीजन सेल में गई थी तो मुझे ये ओवरकोट मिल गया और यू वोंट बिलीव, ये जब मैं ले रही थी तो उन्होंने बोला दैट इट इज फॉर $850. सो या आई नो द थिंग अबाउट सरोजिनी नगर मार्केट, you have to bargain there very carefully. If you are new, then they will charge you, like they will ask you for the more and more price, but you have to be smart to be there. So I bargained it and I got it for only ₹350. And I believe that a overcoat in such good quality and such good stuff and everything, the length, the warmth and everything, it is worth the price. I am so happy purchasing it and मैंने end of season sale में लिया था. मैं पहन तो नहीं पाई हूँ इसे एक भी बार, but I'm so waiting for the winters and I will wear it because I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so the next thing is this jacket. You can see how beautiful the color is. कलर देख सकते हो आप, कितना प्यारा कलर है इसका. जब मैंने ये देखा, एक्चुअली मैंने नहीं देखा, मैं अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ गई थी and she made me see it, and the moment I saw it I was like, yes, this is the thing I want, because it is really good. As if you can see, these have this detailing in the sleeves and the neck have also these cute little things, and I really like this cute little finishing. Pockets are also there, and the most favorite part of this jacket is that I like the color. I really like the color, and let me tell you, this is really warm. बहुत ही गर्म है guys. आपको पता है मुझे ये कहाँ से मिला था? वो होता है ना फेरी वाले गोल जो लगा के रखते हैं बहुत सारी चीज हैंगिंग पे. I got it from there and you won't believe that it is only for ₹100. and I'm also very excited to wear this also. Okay guys, so next piece is also from clothing, and let me tell you, if you'll go to the Sarojini Nagar, you will see that there are a lot of jeans selling out, and these are only for rupees 200. Can you really believe that? Actually yes, the jeans are only for rupees 200 and are of very good quality. So whenever I go to Sarojini Nagar, I never miss a jeans. Yeah, sometimes you may have issues with the size, but if you will check your size and if you know the correct size of yours, then you will not regret it. So my tip is that before purchasing any jeans from Sarojini Nagar, you must know your size very well. So I went there and I bought a jeans, and I bought a jogger kind of jeans, loose fitted jeans from there. So let me show you. So this is the jogger, and please guess the price. This is only for rupees 100. नहीं किन हुआ ना, मुझे भी नहीं हुआ था जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम सरोजनी गई. So these are only for rupees 100, and as you can see quality देखो आप कितनी अच्छी है. These have pockets also. These have these elastic things, so you will not have any issues with tight fit or loose fit. You can fix it as you want, and a very good quality jean you will get only for rupees 100. What else we want in our life? Okay guys, so next piece is the jeans. I already showed you my jogger, so this is the jeans. Let me show you. This is the jeans, and this have a stripe detailing right there in the both side, and it is so trendy nowadays. Stuff is very soft and very comfortable, and it is so stretchable, so there will not be any problem in wearing and fitting. As you can see how stretchable it is. So these are really good. The quality is also good, as you will never get a jean with 200 bucks with such good quality. So I always go and shop a jeans for myself. I got this purse from Sarojini Nagar and I really liked it. ये फर वाला जो है ना, फर वाला thing, I really like it and love it. It is so soft, and so you know, this is kind of statement piece, and it will go very good with any dresses. This was only for rupees 250. I have shopped so many bags from Sarojini Nagar, and I never got a sling for rupees 250. I always got for rupees 300 and 350. The most important thing is that the quality of this sling is really good, and you can also get yours from Sarojini. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is my footwear. So I bought two footwears from there. These are the first ones. I really like them. The quality of these are really good, and these are very comfortable, and these are only for rupees 200, and I'm loving it, and I'm wearing it almost every day to my college. Every place wherever I go, I wear this. I am hoping that I will go to Sarojini next time and I will buy these ones again. Okay guys, so the next pair of slippers or sandals or heels you can say is, I'm obsessed with the color. Let me show you. How beautiful are these? These are the block heels, and I am loving it totally. Nowadays मैंने अभी तक नहीं पहना है. I haven't wore it even a single time, but I am waiting for the time when I will wear, and I'm totally loving it. And these are only for rupees 350. Let's move on to the next category, that is jewelry. Whenever I go to Sarojini, I always purchase a earring, definitely. So let me show you what I got from there. Okay guys, so this is the first one. I was in love with these earrings at the first sight. I really like these, you know, color oriented silver jhumkas. I have the jhumkas, but they are like golden or they are like silver only, but I really like this designing and this color oriented jhumkas, and these are so good. And this will go with any kind of dress, whether it is Indo-Western or Indian dress, or you are wearing if Western dress like jeans, skirt, even with sari this will go really well. And these are so pretty, and these are only for rupees 100. और ये देखकर आपको लग रहे होंगे कि कितने heavy हैं. Believe me, these are so lightweight. बिल्कुल भी weight नहीं है इनमें. The next earring that I'm going to show you is my favorite from this. Let me show you. Is a earring. This is in a shape of a woman with a bun. This is kind of a statement earring, and it will look so pretty, and it is in a wooden material, and this is so good, and you won't believe the price. These are only for rupees 30. I really liked it, and मैं इसे वेट कर रही हूँ पहनने के लिए, अभी तक नहीं पहना है मैंने। सो हेयर इज बाय द नेक्स्ट इयरिंग, दीज आर द झुमकाज, सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट वन। I really like them. These are for ₹50 and these will really good with the suit and sarees, and yes, I'm so excited to wear them because these are adorable, like adorable. So the next and last thing is this neck piece. I really like them. I like this multicolor thing in this between and I don't know why but ये मेरे को ना बहुत क्यूट लगा तो मैंने ले लिया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। I hope you also liked it and let me tell you the price। जब मैंने उससे पूछा they said these are for ₹350। So मेरी फ्रेंड थी, उसे भी एक नेक पीस बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आया and she said these are for $350 and those are for $250 और I guess 300 है ना, तो कितना हो गया टोटल 3 और 650 हो गया। So as I told you, I'm very good at bargaining, so I got both of them for ₹300। अगर आपको अच्छे से बार्गेनिंग आती है तो आप सरोजनी नगर में बहुत अच्छी शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं। Okay guys, so this was all about the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked my haul from Sarojini Nagar, and this was my first video of any Sarojini Nagar haul. And if you like my video and if you like hauls, then please do comment and I will do the more hauls for you and for me of course. And please come back to my channel to see more exciting updates and fun updates from my channel. And if you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. And please do come back to my channel for more such videos. Tab tak namaste.